Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix DELL monitor not turning on. If you want to fix this issue, you need to consider some steps. As you can see, I am in the official website of Reddit, where the people provide their opinion regarding this problem. As you can see, this is the solution provided by the people. Disconnect the monitor power cord from the power outlet. Hold down the power button for 20 seconds or so. Leave it unplugged 15 minutes. Use a non-working cable. Unplug and security plug the AV cable to the monitor. Power the monitor on. If just working PC, wait several seconds before connecting the monitor. Were you there when it happened? Was it truly just sleep, or was there a possible power outage issue? Another people says that if empowering it completely did not help, can you now at least get into the monitor's on-screen display? Display menu to self-test or to factory reset. It says the user guide. Try a different outlet. Try waiting even a day or two with it unplugged. Next call DELL if still under 180. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.